Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crimi-Trent, and today we're making a mini watercolor painting. This is a 3" by 3" square, and let's get started. Now you can use any paints. I use all different types of paints. Today I'm using some Dr. Martin's concentrated watercolor, some Japanese watercolor, and art philosophy concentrated watercolor. Now if you can see these strokes, just a back and forth movement. Make them uneven. Don't make them look the same. There's a bright pink. Another bright pink. This is the Wild Rose, Dr. Martin's color. The stroke is just, as you can see, just shaking back and forth, back and forth. Sometimes I connect them and sometimes I don't. Got a bunch of different colors in here. I get some oranges, reds, some more orange, bright red, orange. And I'm adding color and then taking my brush, as you can hear it, in the water, and then I'm going to go and thin this color up by adding water and removing it with the brush. How you remove it is you keep touching it and then touch the paper towel, touch it, touch the paper towel. Add some more back in, play around with it. It doesn't have to be precise. It doesn't have to look like mine. Actually, it shouldn't look like mine. It should look like yours. I mean, tutorials are good to get the feel, to learn, but generally you want to do your own thing. And I'll put a yellow flower in here. Another one here. You can see the type flower. Another one over here. The minis are fun. What's great about using the tiny paper is it forces you to be looser, not as serious. Now here I'm going to add some purple, blue. I don't like how that's coming out. Let's see. Get more blue, purple. Like it here, adding, subtracting. I'm using my brush kind of like a mop, if you want to think of it that way. You can add and subtract. Now I'm going to add some greenery, the stems. I always want to do like a crisscross, because in nature, flowers don't line up like soldiers. They're all over the place. And always, of course, the values. Values meaning light to dark. You don't want just one color green. You want many color greens. And depending where the stem is, obviously, if you want it dark, if it's supposed to be behind it, underneath it, the shadow, stem, some leaves. Excuse me, that's my chair rubbing against my desk, being annoying. All right, I'm going to add some more flowers again first. Let's get the blue. Oh, my paints are not cooperating today. Bluish purple over here. Now see how that bled into that? That little trick. Take a tiny piece of paper towel. Stop that guy. Dab it. There you go. And you can go back over the yellow when it's dry. This one's dry, you can add in the darker. value to give it depth. This is my Monday madness of minis. I have been really enjoying painting a lot of mini paintings. This one look like a coneflower, wildflower. And again, add in some more greens, darker tones. Just have fun with it. So bundle the leaves out this way. And add in some red flowers down here, and over here, and some up here. And this is looking a little too flat, so we're going to add some more depth with just taking the brush, making little sweeps of lines from the center outward. You can add a couple on the edges. And if that still doesn't feel dark enough, make the value even darker, right towards the middle. It can bleed a little bit. Same thing here. Go from the center, push the strokes outward. Add a little strokes on the outer edge. Maybe like a line on the side. You don't want to do everyone, because then it's not looking natural. It's random is the better way to go. Some yellow, you want to add some orange to it a little bit. Give it other depth. Again in the center. Now, this is where I would use the blow dryer. So pay no attention to this noise. I'm holding this down. A little loud. Oh, and it's burning my fingers. So now we're going to add some of the yellow in the center so it won't bleed now. And these ones. And black. So this would be like a black-eyed Susan. This could even be black, actually. And you add some more in here. And there you go. Oh, well, I think this is not dark enough. So I'll add a little more color here.
Oh, no. Okay.
And sorry for the interruption. Almost done. Some people, yeah, tell them you're making a video and they interrupt you anyway. Well, that was getting a little muddled. I have to clean that up. And there you have it. A mini little watercolor painting. And you finish that, you sign it on the side. Voila. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe, comment, like, and hit that bell notification so you know when to see the next video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.